Good day. In this video, we're going to work out the perimeter and area of a kite. Before we can start doing that, we must transfer the information they wrote underneath the sketch onto the sketch. They told me that this is 56 centimeters, so that'll be 56 centimeters. This is 31, so this will also be 31. Then I'll transfer this other lengths onto the picture. They told us that AE is 28. I wrote it in there. There's A and there's E. EC is 54, there's E and there's C, so EC is 54, and BE is 14, from B to E is 14, and we know in a kite that this line and this line is equal because this one is bisecting him. So I fill in the 14. Then they told me this is 56, so I write 56 over there. They told me this is 31, so I put the 31 over here. We know that to find the perimeter of any straight-sided figure, we just add all the sides. So the perimeter of this kite ABCD is side 1 plus side 2 plus side 1 plus side 2. You do not have to remember these numbers. You can go side 1, side 2, side 3, side 4 if you want to. You just add all these sides together. We wrote the 31 twice and the 56 twice in any order. Then we add them with a calculator. So the perimeter of ABCD is 174 centimeters. Now, to work out the area of kite ABCD, it's actually an easy formula. It uses the same formula as the area of a rhombus, so it's worth learning it. The formula says you're going to go half times the one diagonal, which is that line, times the second diagonal, which is that one. If you add the 28 and the 54, you're going to get the 82. If you add the 14 and the 14, you're going to get the 28. Then use a calculator to multiply this out. And your final answer is the area of kite ABCD is 1,148 centimeters square. Area is always centimeters square. If you ever forget the formula for the area of a kite, you can just work out the area of this triangle ABC. There's your base, there's your height. You work it out, get the answer, and then times it by 2 because there's two equal triangles here. Be creative when working out the area of quadrilaterals. Please remember to indicate whether you liked or disliked this video. You can also subscribe to the channel. And if you have anything you're not sure about in maths in school level, you can send a WhatsApp or a message to this number with a picture of the problem or an explanation of the problem, and we will look at it and make you a small video and post it on YouTube for free that other people can benefit from your question.